Hi and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can enable the restricted mode in TikTok. So let's start our video. First, you need to open TikTok application on your device. Once you do so, you need to tap on your profile here. Once you tap on your profile, all you need to do is to tap on the three lines here and then go to settings and privacy. So once you're here, under the content and display section, you need to tap on content preference. So once you tap here, you will find the restricted mode here, which is off. All you need to do is to tap on it and then tap on turn on. So once you tap on turn on, it will ask you to choose one option from these. So you just need to choose one option and then tap on submit. And as you can see now, you will find it here that the restricted mode is on. So guys, this is all it takes to enable the restricted mode in TikTok. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.